Welcome to my channel.
Offshore outsourcing. India delivers high-quality mechanical engineering services, specializing in CAD solutions for HVAC, advanced machines, industrial equipment, and metal parts. Our expertise ensures clients receive precise, reliable designs without the guesswork, making complex mechanical systems easier to build and maintain. We believe in a systematic, quality-driven process. Our mechanical engineering consultants work closely with clients to understand ideas, review drafts, identify issues, and suggest improvements. This approach not only boosts product performance and durability, but also helps reduce manufacturing costs, ensuring every project is efficient and cost-effective. Our comprehensive services include mechanical design, CAD detailing, 3D product development, reverse engineering, and sheet metal design. We use industry-leading software like SolidWorks, Inventor, Revit, and Tekla to create accurate 2D and 3D drawings. Whether you need shop drawings, assembly guides, or detailed fabrication plans, our team delivers solutions tailored to your needs. Clients trust us for our experience, timely delivery, and commitment to accuracy. Our affordable plans, strict quality checks, and openness to feedback guarantee well-organized, error-free drawings that speed up production and save time. We serve clients worldwide, following ISO and ANSI standards to ensure safe, high-quality mechanical drawings for every project.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.